Visit any website or business online resource today and you will see social media icons popping up from various corners of the screen. Whether you're an entrepreneur, employee, or professional, you will find yourself needing to publish graphics to your social media accounts time and again, and you're faced with a plethora of online tools to do that. But there is one which is ideally suited to do all of these, a software that you already know, Microsoft PowerPoint. When you first open up PowerPoint, you proceed to click on the new icon, which allows you to create a new presentation, and in the search box, search for one of the social media templates that you would like. For example, I'm searching for Instagram, and it shows me the various templates that are available to create an Instagram post. In this brief video, I'm going to take two examples. One is using the square template for Instagram, and the second example will be using the multi-social media image template. With these two examples, you should get a fair idea of how to use the various templates that are available to create your own social media graphics. Now let's presume I've opened the square Instagram image template. Here is a simulation of that template. I'm going to begin working on the first slide which is available in the template, and contained within the template are other slides with other layouts and designs that you can customize to suit your requirements. To create my Instagram post image, all I need to do is select the background image, delete it, then pick my own image, add it to the background, send it to back, click on the text placeholder, and replace it with the text that I would like. Then, following the instructions contained within the template, I go to the File tab, Save As, pick a location, and choose to save my file as a JPG or a portable network graphic. Here I am saving it on my desktop, and I choose to save just this one slide. And that gives me a file that I can now post to my Instagram feed. After searching for a specific template, if I decide to download the social media multiple image template like this, I will end up with a template that looks very much like this. And all I need to do in such a case is to pick the template I want, click on the placeholders, add a graphic, customize it with text, add any logos that I like, and once I'm done, once I'm happy with the way the graphic looks, follow the supplied instructions to save it as a picture, and I can save it to my folder, and it is ready for me to post to my Instagram feed. Well, I hope this brief video has given you some ideas on how you can use PowerPoint to publish your social media graphics. There's a lot more you can do with PowerPoint and the social media templates that are provided. But that's all we have time for in this brief video. I hope you found it interesting. Stay in touch and look out for more such interesting videos from us.